Today.
Watching CKWS News at Noon. Nice to see you on this Thursday afternoon. Intermittent sunshine throughout the course of the day for much of eastern Ontario, and a high that is well above average. Average high this time of year is around 7. We should climb to around 15 degrees, and another mild overnight low, just 11 degrees. And for our futurecast images, a mix of sun and clouds throughout the region today, and then really starting to cloud over overnight. Now with these clouds, rain making its way into the region. We could start to see that rainfall by around 3 p.m. I got my fingers crossed, because I know a lot of people attending Remembrance Day ceremonies at around 11 a.m. We want to keep things dry. I don't want you to be using an umbrella for those ceremonies, and it looks like that could happen. Let's keep our fingers crossed. The remnants of that system with us early morning Saturday. And for Belleville, wishing you a fantastic Thursday afternoon. It will be. You'll climb to 16 degrees today, 17 for Friday, 30 millimeters of rain beginning later in the day, and then a light rain to begin Saturday morning. 11 degrees is the expected high. Now 7 is the average high for this time of year. Today, Brockville getting to 17 degrees, and then 18 for tomorrow. 40 millimeters of rain, again beginning well into the afternoon, and then 14 for Saturday with a light rain to begin the day. And for Smiths Falls, you'll be seeing a nice high today of around 17 degrees as well. Enjoy a mix of sun and clouds. 35 millimeters of rain for you tomorrow as you climb to 18 degrees, and then 13 on Saturday. Of course, all these temperatures well above average. Sunday, we nosedive. Kingston, 15 degrees today, 16 tomorrow with 40 millimeters of rain, 13 on Saturday, a light rain to begin the day, and then hoping for some sunshine in the afternoon. Sunday, a mix of sun and clouds, 6 degrees. Monday, only getting to +4.
Another beautiful fall summer-like day today, and we're going to get good temperatures again tomorrow, well above normal, but a good soaking coming our way. A few factors affecting us, and we're going to see a big drop in temperatures. Wet and mild tomorrow, then those temperatures drop, and what's this? Maybe some flurries? We might see some of the white stuff, but it will be mixed with showers. We'll talk more about that in just a moment. Highs across the region, 16 in Belleville, Kingston, 19 in Brockville, 18 in Smiths Falls, and a 16 in Ottawa today. We should be about 8. That's right, 8 Celsius for a daytime high, and we're double that in our region. 18 in Peterborough, 17 in Oshawa, and 21 in Toronto today. And here's why. High pressure in the south keeps pumping all that warm air. We've got a nice push from what's left of Nicole. Nicole really hammering Florida in the last 24 hours. It will continue to move up inland. It's not moving out to, we don't expect it to move back out to the Atlantic. As it does, it will diminish to just post-tropical, a low-pressure system, but it's going to bring significant amount of rain for the region. The nice thing is it's going to move through quickly. So we'll get a good blast of showers tomorrow afternoon through the evening, and then by Saturday morning we hope to see it end. This frontal boundary right here is bringing snow to parts of central northern Ontario, central Quebec, northern Quebec eventually, as it tracks northeast. But this is what's going to bring you the cooler air. Once the remnants of Nicole is finished with us and it moves on, we get into this amalgamation of lows. They all merge, turn into something larger, and then we get a cold front and a trough and another trough. All the cold air moving in. You've got 1, 2, 3 areas of high pressure all working to shove that cold air down our way, and so you're really going to flip the script on temperatures. We've been so spoiled with these well above normal temperatures. That's all going to change. We're going to get into the cool range and even be below normal, 4, 5, 6 for daytime highs. So there's the cloud increasing through the overnight, and thankfully, the showers, though there may be 30 to 40% probability in the morning, the real rain doesn't get here until the afternoon. So any of the outdoor ceremonies for Remembrance Day, you should be okay. Bring an umbrella. It might be a little drizzly at the onset before you get to this. And the heavier rain coming to you by late afternoon, early evening, and then it moves out of the way. By Saturday morning, we're actually seeing that cloud thin out a little bit. I wouldn't rule out the probability of precipitation, but it looks like it might be scattered scattered showers, if anything, at 30 to 40% through the overnight. So 13 is where we're sitting now, and southwest winds about 7 kilometers per hour. Humidity at 67%. You want to bet that's going to climb pretty heavily tomorrow. No precipitation yet, and a couple more minutes less of daylight. And 17 will be your high tomorrow, Belleville. Another mild one, but it's going to be wet. There'll be no patio sitting, I don't think. Rain starts in the afternoon, and then we see it end through the late evening, early overnight. Saturday 11 for a high, mostly cloudy still, takes a while to clear, and then comes Sunday, you're looking at a mix of sun and cloud, much cooler, +6 for a high, and dropping to -4 Sunday night. In Brockville, another mild one for you tomorrow, 18. You've got shower activity starting in the afternoon, periods of rain by the evening, heavy at times. Saturday, a high 14. Still a good 70% chance of showers through the first half of your day, but that should end through the afternoon. Sunday, a high 6, mostly cloudy. And in Smiths Falls, a wet one for you as well. We could see that shower activity continue into your Saturday morning at 40% probability, and then wrap up in the afternoon. Sunday, high of 4 degrees, mostly cloudy. In Kingston, you're looking at a warm one tomorrow too, up to 16 degrees for Remembrance Day, and the showers get a little heavy through the afternoon and evening. Hoping to see it end in the morning, but hanging on to about a 40% chance of a shower, high 13, rising to 6 on Sunday, and a mix of sun and cloud. Looks like your extended really gets cool, and as we roll into Wednesday and Thursday, as the precipitation returns, it's not just showers, we could see the probability of flurries coming our way. Now your weather wallpaper. Yeah, a beautiful picture from Diane Irwin of Napanee. This is shot was taken from Lake on the Mountain Park. And that's in the Prince Edward County region, isn't it?
Yes.
It's a beautiful, beautiful shot.
That's right where the Glenora Ferry is.
Yeah, there it is. It's just arriving as she took the shot. Thanks a lot, Diane, for your photo. If you've got pictures as beautiful as this, we'd love to see them. Send them to us at submissions at ckwstv.com.
Lake of the Mountain, a lovely lookout point. One of the many scenic areas of the county. Tomorrow, though, might be a whole different story for the entire region, Bill, with all that rain we're getting. And I guess Environment Canada issuing a weather statement today. How much can we expect in that mess?
We could see 20 to 30 millimeters, generally speaking. But if you get caught in some of those heavier cells, you can see in excess of 50 millimeters.
In a short period of time, you said?
Within 6 to 12 hours, you know, it's going to move through very quickly.
And beyond that, we knew November would reach us sooner or later. November weather, that is.
Those temperatures are coming, yeah.
Yeah, and we'll find out what's beyond that, I guess, in the 10-day outlook a little bit later. Thanks, Bill. And by the way, your Movember's coming along nicely there. Let's find out what's in store for the next 10 days in November, Bill.
Yeah, it's going to get a little cool once we get on the other side of these showers. Temperatures dropping by Sunday, but you've got one more warm day tomorrow, and the showers begin in the afternoon, continuing overnight, heavy at times. Saturday, though, that probability diminishes to about 40% in the morning. By the afternoon, hope to see it end. Then the cooling comes, a high of only 6 on Sunday, as we see a mix of sun and cloud. Monday, 4 degrees, a mix of sun and cloud, only 3 Tuesday, and mostly cloudy. As the chance of precipitation returns Wednesday and Thursday, it's mixed. We could see some flurries, and from Friday to Sunday, that mixed precipitation presents the risk of freezing rain.
Yes, you mentioned that last night and stopped doing that. But anyway, we should say next Saturday, a week from Saturday, is the Kings of Santa Parade. So a high of 3, right? So
yeah, not very warm.
No. Okay, we'll be right back.
You're watching CKWS News at 11.
We'll say goodbye to the warm temperatures once the rain moves in, and those cold fronts bring all that cold air out of the prairies. It's bringing snow. They've had snowstorms across the prairies in the last week, and we won't see the snow, but we're certainly going to see a drop in temperature. Eventually, maybe some mixed precipitation over the next week, but for now, it looks like this frontal boundary right here creating some mixed precipitation and snow for areas north, northern central Ontario, central Quebec. For us, we're still in the warm sector here, all thanks to Nicole, which is hammering Florida now. It will make its way up to us soon, and merging with these other lows, creating a much larger system, and then troughing Cold air is going to seep into the region. Temperatures are really going to drop following this wet weather we get tomorrow. Belleville, 17 for high tomorrow, and rain. It probably won't start until the afternoon, heavy at times. So hopefully those ceremonies in the morning, the outdoor ceremonies for Remembrance Day, will be okay. Bring an umbrella just as, in case. There might be a little bit of a drizzle. Saturday, high of 11, cloudy skies, and then Sunday, it's a mix of sun and cloud and up to about 6 degrees. In Brockville, 18's your high, rain heavy at times starting in the afternoon for Saturday. Still a 70% chance of showers through the morning. Hoping to see that end through the afternoon for Sunday. A high 6 and mostly cloudy. Everybody's seeing that drop of temperatures by Sunday. For Friday, though, in Smiths Falls, high of 18 with rain. Saturday, a high 13 with more showers through the morning. Hoping to see it wrap up in the afternoon. Sunday, mostly cloudy and a chilly high of 4, dropping to -4 that night. Kingston, a high 16 tomorrow. Remembrance Day ceremonies should be fairly dry. That rain doesn't start till the afternoon. And then Saturday up to 13 with a chance of showers still. Come Sunday, there is a small probability of showers mixed with flurries as temperatures start to drop. Monday, a high 4, mix of sun and cloud, mostly cloudy. Tuesday with a high of 3 degrees. And as you rise back to a 4 Wednesday, we've got a chance of mixed precipitation. Thursday, again, showers possibly mixed with flurries.